This is a 3D model of my 2016 square foot ranch house in Madison, Wisconsin. You can see from the model the windows, the window overhangs in this olive color. You can see the front door with the front door window in it. This long brown rectangle, which is really thin, that's the earth. And that's showing you how much earth is covering the foundation. Over here, as we round the corner on the sides of the house, you'll see the basement hopper windows. We have two of them here on the east side of the house, one there where I'm circling with my pointer, and another one right over here. And additionally, I'll add in the roof, you can see here's my hip roof for the house. The point of all of this modeling is for you to get at the end of the day the heating and cooling loads for each room in the house. Now, when I go on my data table and I click on the second floor bath, this is telling me that this room on the top floor of my house needs 710 BTUs per hour to maintain 70 degrees Fahrenheit, 50% relative humidity on our design day. Just the same, our guest room in the corner, which has two exterior walls on the south and west sides, needs 2,216 BTUs, okay? And so on. If I click on other rooms, here's our hallway. It needs 62. Here's our my wife's office needs 1465. Here's the kitchen. It needs 3184, okay? And check out this. Our living room, 5,000 BTUs. It's a large room, a lot of exposed exterior walls, needs a lot of BTUs. The reason why the hallway needs so little is because it's a completely interior space. The only exposure it has to an exterior wall is the ceiling. It only needs 62 BTUs per hour, a tiny, tiny heat load. You can also see the cooling load right over here, okay? So this would help us if we're going to be sizing ductwork. We need to look at both the cooling load and the heating load for the room. We choose the bigger number, and then we need to size our system and ductwork so we can deliver this much heat in the winter and remove this much heat in the summer. Folks, this is called an ACA Manual J room by room heating and cooling load calculation. Okay? You need to get this done if you're serious about electrification and you're serious about a house that performs.